Hi everybody, it's Kirsten. Just wanted to introduce you to the newest member of the family. You went and got her yesterday. Here she is. I think we named her Honey Bear because she looks like a big teddy bear. She's just the sweetest thing. She's a mini Holland Lop. And she's going to be a house bunny. House kitty. She's just very sweet. I'm gonna go let her down. The poor little bunny, she's been in somebody's arms all day, so she was ready to go and sit in her little bed. She's such a sweetheart. So, a little more detail about the kids being off of school. Everybody's like, well, what about work, schoolwork? So what they did was each one of the kids in elementary, not the smaller kids, I think it's middle school and high school, the kids all have a laptop. And the teachers are connected to the laptop, so they will send them schoolwork to do on their laptops. They don't have any books, so I don't know how that's going to work. So they're going to have to read everything and do everything on their laptops. So I guess that's how they'll do that for the next 3 weeks. Also, Fred's dad and I had just started an EMT class. We had one class, and I just got the phone call that that's been postponed for a minimum of 3 weeks, possibly 4, because that's all done through the state, and each date is verified, and because there's like other EMTs can come to the class to get extra time for their license. So all these dates that they had registered with the state are now null and void, so they have to re-register dates with the topics. So that's kind of a pain, but I guess they'll wait a few weeks and do that. So that's that update. One of the other fun things though, day before, wasn't yesterday, day before when I went to the farm store. Show you what else I got besides duck food. An Ariana berry bush. It says it grows to zone 3, so I'm kind of excited. We're zone 4. Way up here. It says to plant it between March and May. Well, we still have probably 2 to 3 feet of snow out there in the yard, so it won't be planted today. Not for a while. We usually plant, I'm trying to think, Father's Day. Father's Day is tomatoes. Easter can or maybe potatoes and onions, and Mother's Day carrots and radishes. That's kind of the tentative schedule for our area. Today we're just gonna do some organizing, and the kids are just watching TV. It's Sunday. Tomorrow will be the actual sit down and pretend it's school. So it ought to be fun. It ought to be fun. What are you doing, Fred?
Eating pancakes, because every Sunday we make pancakes.
What kind of topping is that today?
Blueberry.
Are they good?
Yep.
And don't forget to like and subscribe, because that's how my channel will grow. all done. I got this shelf last summer. I never had a chance to put it together, so there it is.